Another way we have of creating a quote is, again, we're going to start from our home screen here, and we're going to come in, we're going to hit create engagement. At this point, we'll go demo 1/7, just notes. And I'm going to go ahead and add a note. And again, I can just talk to this note. We're going to do a complete kitchen replacement on a 1920s rancher style house. The kitchen is about 500 square feet. The overall house is about 2,000 square feet. They have high-end expectations. The kitchen is an L-shaped kitchen. Gonna have to completely rip and replace everything. That being said, the electrical and the plumbing shouldn't change much. They still want the same layout, and they are going to be providing the appliances. So let's save that note. Again, you'll see the notes pop up and the similars. Similars are going to be very important. The more quotes you get in the system, the better the similars are going to be, the better the overall quoting process goes. Now you see this time, we're not going to go through and fill in all the info. We're just going to let it run the quote based off the notes. So if I go ahead and AI on a magic quote, what this is going to be doing once again is it's going to be going out to the similars. It's going to, based off the notes, it's going to look for any project that might be similar to this one. It's going to read all of those and then make adjustments and create a quote based off of what the projects similar to this have done, as well as based off the notes from this project. And it's going to go ahead and fill in your quote for you. As we go through here, I'm just going to run a quick update on the demo 7, just notes, quote. We can call the quote whatever we want. It's going to take a few seconds with the AI to go ahead and pull in all the information. But once the information's there, we should see it in 1 second. Again, this is going to get better the more you use it. The more you put in quotes, the more you understand what you're doing, the more you have similars to it, you're going to have better quotes here. So again, this has a fully completed quote for you. You can do whatever you want with it. And you can change any of these headings. We can add groups, we can remove groups, but we can also just update quantities of things. And any changes we make will obviously be reflected in the total estimate. You can see what your cost is, what the overall markup is, the blended markup rate for all the different sections. And then we have a good overall quote here. Once you've done your edits, once again, we can go ahead and make it from a template. We're going to choose the current template. And it's going to go off in the background. It's going to do its thing. It's going to grab the price. It's going to grab the information, and it's going to create a document. We will update the documents at a later time and go over that. For right now, just show you can make a document. You can then have the title and the cost there. Very, very basic document. We'll go over updated documents later, but just showing you that it can pull the information out of your system and into a PDF for you.